You want to stay good looking. You best back off the attitude, mister. Besides, you think I'm the gift, don't you, honey? Yes. Tell me what's your name. ¿Qué es tu nombre?
Lennox.
Lennox. Well, I think that is Swahili for my new best friend.
Everyone, Simba and the gang will be arriving in
Kingdom, and we're surrounded by animals, and Simba and the gang are animals. We should greet them like
animals of our beastly pep rally. Each one of us will help lead one of the 4 animal sections. Let's see. I'll take the elephants.
I'll take giraffe.
Take the lion.
Listen up, gang. My friend Lennox here is going to demonstrate the sound that we as fellow warthogs will make. So, put your fingers by your face to be your tusk. And make a snorty warthog sound. Do you need a tissue? All right, let's turn this way. Let's see, warthogs, get up those tusks. On the count of 3, let me hear what you can do. 1, 2, 3. Well, that is the most disgusting sound I have ever heard. I love it!
Here we go, lions. Now it is our turn. I have Susan and Kara here, all the way from North Carolina, and they're gonna show us their best lion impression. So let's see your paws up, and let's hear your roar.
Everyone, listen. It is time.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
Come on, everybody, get ready to clap your paws, stomp your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King.
Let the procession begin!
Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down! I'm supposed to be center stage! Who's driving this thing?
To Mom! Glad you could make it! We can't have the celebration without you! Don't worry, friend. You'll get your time in the spotlight.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
Record-breaking 2 million years at the bottom of the evolutionary ladder. Let's hear it for Don Tomo McGee.
Singing the era is tiptoeing nearer. And where do we feature? Just listen to teacher. I know it sounds salted, but you'll be revolted when at last I am given my dues. And injustice did.
and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. Can you feel her love tonight? Can you feel her love tonight? You need its love to find. Steal through the night uncertainties. For once in perfect harmony with
The world in perfect harmony with all its living things, for joyous celebration. For when all things exist in balance, it is then we are all connected in a great circle. The circle of life.
from the day we arrive on the planet. There's more to see than can ever be seen, more to do.
And now, everybody, it's time to kick off our celebration finale.
Sounds great, Simba.